Welcome and thank you for joining the Hocoma and Motex Advanced Technologies webinar series. Today we are live at Rivigo, which is an outpatient clinic at the Hocoma headquarters close to Zurich. My name is Ellen Jaspers and I'm the product manager for the Armeo therapy concept, which is Hocoma's solution for upper extremity rehab. And I will be moderating the demo today, where Serena will be demonstrating the different devices of the Armeo therapy concept. Now, I'm very happy that Serena joins us today because she has a PhD in biomedical engineering, but she's also an Armeo instructor, and she already joined Hocoma in 2013, first in the R&D department, and later she moved into the clinical and scientific affairs department. She is an Armeo instructor, as I said, but she also is a co-organizer for the Rehab Week. She organizes the Hocoma's summer and winter schools for professionals. And she's also responsible to initiate and to monitor different research studies with our upper extremity rehab devices. On top of that, she is also responsible to provide and help us collect feedback from the market and different market trends when it comes to neuro rehab to help to keep improving our devices. Now, we're super lucky today because in our panelists, we also have Andris Ladner and Juliana Ebert, who will be joining us to help answer all your questions. Andris is a robotics specialist at the Swiss Paraplegic Center in Noordwil, and Juliana is a team lead for the neurological therapy in the rehab clinic in Valence. Now, today's demo will be about 1 hour, including a Q&A of 15 minutes. Now, please feel free to already start asking questions during the demo. And you can do that by clicking the question mark on the right side of your screen, or if you're on your mobile phone, by clicking the question mark on the top of your screen. Now, please start asking questions now, because we will already try to answer them. And those that need a bit more attention or a bit more personal interaction will be answered at the end of the live demo. Also, you will notice that you see two screens. Now, if you want to increase the size of one of the other, you can do so by dragging the horizontal line, as you see on the picture on the right, up and down. So, the Armeo therapy concept. I will briefly introduce the three devices that we will see today so that you have an understanding of what you can expect. So in today's demo, we hope to show you the main functionality of the different devices and also hope that you can understand how you can use these to help optimize your your upper extremity rehabilitation solution in your clinic. So with the Armeo therapy concept, we have three devices. And with these three devices, we follow the upper extremity rehab journey of our patients through the continuum of care. That means with the three devices, we can cover different patient needs. So in the bottom corner, you see the Armeo Power. The Armeo Power is most suited for these most severely affected patients. That means those patients who have very little or no voluntary muscle control. So that means with the Armeo Power, you can provide robotic arm weight support, arm weight support, and also mobilization, which Serena will demonstrate in the demo. In the middle, you see the Armeo Spring. The Armeo Spring is our passive exoskeleton, which means that you can provide arm weight support based on a spring system. And with this, you can really target those patients who have started to regain self-initiated movements, but they really lack strength and range of motion to be functional. So with this device, you can offer functional reaching and grasping training by providing an adjustable arm weight support. Then, in the top corner, we also have our Armeo Senso. With the Armeo Senso is Hocoma's sensor-based solution for arm and hand rehab. And here you really target those patients who would benefit from training to improve their strength and their strength endurance. Now, they're all three very different devices, but they share the same software platform, which is the Armeo Control. And with the Armeo Control, we provide a common workflow and user interface, which facilitates the use of the different devices. So all our devices have a very extensive library of game-like exercises and various objective assessment tools. And as a therapist, what you can do is you can tailor the therapy plan by choosing different exercises based on the therapy goals that you want to assess. And you can adjust the different exercises, for instance, the difficulty level or the playtime, to also accommodate the different patient needs. Then finally, all the devices have an integrated reporting tool, which allows you to track, to monitor, but also to communicate your patient's progress throughout their rehabilitation journey. So I think it's time for me to hand the floor to Serena and to see our devices in action.